It's the small capsule here in Zurich, Switzerland. I'll show you around and it fits me perfectly. And I'm going to show you some hooks, mirrors, and then some plugs and some for the lights, table, and that's it, guys. Interlaken, the town is located on the flat alluvial land called Bodeli between two lakes, Brienz to the east and Thun to the west, and alongside the river Are, which flows between them. Transport routes to the east and west alongside the lakes are complemented by a route southward into the near mountains resort and high mountains.
195 kilometers. See the river there, Are in Switzerland, 71% of the Swiss water. Who said you want to come to the lake, make sure when you get off you have to walk the direction when you go to Lake Saprien or you go to Lake Thun, because of Interlaken, the city located between two lakes. That means it's going to be two lakes in the middle. This is Interlaken when you arrive soon.
Willkommen bei der Achterbahn auf Interlaken. Die Achterbahn wurde 1908 eröffnet und führt Sie in 8 Minuten mit einer Steigung von 64% auf 1322 Meter über Meer. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen Aufenthalt und freuen uns über einen Besuch im Restaurant mit Sonnenterrasse und Aussichtssteg. Bienvenue. Top of Interlaken. Opened in 1908, the Harbour Boat takes you up to 1,322 meters above sea level. Yes, mastering the gradient to 64%. We wish you an enjoyable stay and recommend a visit to the restaurant with some terrace and vantage platforms.
Okay, I'm gonna get my umbrella so we both have one.